Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And you'll get one of these in no time. Hopefully, everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Here we go. This is coming from Zzfocus, I do believe. Or Zzfocus. Either or, the link will be down below. If you like this style, click the link, add it to your cart, check out, and they'll ship this to you fast. But if you want something else, take a look and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But here we go. Looks like a blanket. Yeah, I did it. Yep, a nice color. That's a nice color. Zzfocus Goose down 50 by 70 Goose down. Alright, we got that covered now. So Zzfocus, check them out. Alright, got everything in here. What is this? Kind of zipper. Got strings. Got a little stringy here. Open it up inside. Put some stuff in it, maybe. Huh. Interesting. Now here's this. This feels really comfortable. I'm sure it's gonna poof out too. Put it on the ground. Oh yeah. Look at that. Kind of matches my doggy bed for the dog. There we go. Is that kind of reversible? Got that color. About the same color. Same brown. So cool. Take it to like football games, soccer games, either or. Picnics and stuff like that. Indoor, outdoor. Extra. Make sure you always have a extra blanket in your car in case of emergency. So you never know. Just have an extra blanket around, just in case. You know, they're perfect for camping. So there you go. But this is a big one, 50 by 70. So there you go. All right, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good night, and I'll see you soon.